Hello everyone! So I have a plan with me in my skinny planner and it is June 8th through the 14th and I'm going to use the new Simply Gilded. This is the May box and I have an unboxing and pictures here on my YouTube and Instagram. The links are down in the description box. So I'm going to start by using this first washi. It has pretty little sparkly glitters in it, and I'm going to align that where the holes are, and then I'm going to punch it with the classic hole punch, also by Happy Planner. And yeah, I was having such a hard time trying to stick this down. I was like laughing at the same time. My daughter was talking to me, and yeah, it was just sticking literally like to anything that got in its way, which was the paper. So I just moved it so I can lay it down nicely, and see, it got stuck again. I was just like giggling, but yeah. Anyways, let me know if that happens to you. Like literally sticks to everything. Or just like when I'm doing my nails, I have a lint roller that I get the images off of the stamper. If you don't know what I'm talking about, feel free to check out my nail channel. It's down in the description. But the lint roller, it like rolls all over my desk and it gets cotton balls stuck to it. It gets the stamping plate stuck to it. Sometimes nail polish bottles if it's like a new little sticky thing. Yeah, it's funny. It's a mess. Sometimes it sticks to my sleeve. It's just everywhere. So yeah, I'm cutting this with some scissors, and then I think, oh yeah, I forgot. I'm using these scissors also that came in the last box, First Class, from Simply Gilded. They're amazing. These are the days of the weeks washi. You just peel them. They're perforated, and I'm just sticking them on, and then I will be back when I punch the holes. Okay, so now that I got all the days on, I'm using this classic hole punch from Happy Planner. I got it at Michael's for like $10 because I used the 50% off. I'm just lining it up on the line, and then you punch it. And I'm going to do the other page as well, and then put them back in my planner because I just like the looks of it when I see everything with the planner discs. And yeah, I don't know, I just like it in my planner when I plan. So I'm just putting it back. I really like these colors. They're super pretty, nice and soft. And these are just the washies that came in the box and the add-on. Just trying to kind of see what we have to work with. And I'm trying to see if I'm going to use peach or pink. And I went with the more peach color, little bows and hearts. And I'm just going to add it to all the lines and be back. So now that I got that down, I did not put it on the bottom because I wanted to put this pretty bow washi with some florals on it down at the bottom, and then a little tiny piece up top by the 2020. not on the left side because I like that pink and I thought it went well with it. So yeah, I'm just going to do this and get some stickers and date hearts for the planner. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy. I will have pictures at the end and also on my Instagram. If you want to see a certain collection or a certain planner that I have decorated, let me know and I will see what I can do. All right, talk to you later. Bye.